And finally, I'm just going to quickly talk you through the third sleeve in the sleeve pack, which is a plain sleeve like we've already done, but it has got the little ruffle on the end, and I don't really need to explain much to that because this is not even turned up or anything. So what you need to do is overlock and sew together your sleeve. Then you have to join the ruffle and overlock it and insert your gathers, and then you have to attach the both to each other. So the one important thing is, of course, that you mark the other side so you know where you're going, and you should do that here as well. I haven't done it and I won't cut into it because my gather threads are right there. And then you have to turn your sleeve inside out. It's very simple, really. So this one we're rushing through, and it's the easiest way to pull your ruffles with the sleeve sitting on the inside. So I'm finding the markers here and I put those on top of each other, and then I just pull it as ever so that it fits. And once it fits, I know it's right. I wrap my threads round the pin. There we go. I'll go to the other side, pull those as well equally, and that's it. And when that's got enough, I also wrap that around my pin. Have a good lot of tension here in my fingers, and I can pin this in as well. I sew straight through the center of my gather threads, and that does the trick. I think a close-up wouldn't have helped you there. What you want to do is stitch through your gather threads through the center. Make sure that you have no pins in there. Seam's overlocked, and now we can pull out our sleeve. Wow, it really is a very, very nice sleeve. And I'm going to put it in. Is to always put your hand into your sleeve if you don't have a dummy, but I have a dummy, so I'm going to put it over here and check it. Yeah, look. Okay, now it hangs straight. Beautiful. Now I put my second sleeve in. I'm quite pleased with that here. I think it's really, really pretty. I think it does need a bow or something. And of course really nice buttons or poppers. I haven't decided yet, but I think that this is very, very Victorian or Tudorish or something, elegant and pretty. So I hope Magdalena's really going to love this one. I can see some velvet ribbon here. Maybe when I pick up courage again, I do it in the evening.